Hi everybody, Ed here, and we're at the Conway Glass Studios today with the ARTyRV channel. And in today's video, we're going to learn how to completely restore a window. We're going to talk about how we found the glass for our customer through our suppliers. We're also going to show you how we worked with the pattern, because all I had was a photograph of the window that was to the left of this one and few pieces in the top section. Once we get done showing you about the drawing, then we're going to show you how to lead this bad boy together. And here at the Glass Studio, we're going to get the lead out, because this should help a lot of you. Also, don't forget, when this video comes out, you can also give us a thumbs up, ring the bell for the notification, but please make sure you subscribe, because we have new videos coming out all the time. But if you ring that notification bell, that'll tell you when we have a new video coming out. So hi, I'm Ed, and we're starting this video. It's time to restore a window. Hi everybody, good morning, it's Ed here, and we're at Conway Glass. We're in the gallery, and some glass has arrived for us. I wanted to show you how they pack it so that it gets to you. Now there's only one sheet in here, which is just 4 pieces cut up, but they tape it, and inside of this box is like shredded newspaper, and then your glass is wrapped in the thick bubble wrap. Okay, so and in this particular box you can get 8 pieces, or 8 pieces, 16 by 21 or 16 by 16, depending on your sheet size. So this particular sheet, and then they staple it, and it takes 2 men and a bear to get it unlocked. Okay, however, I want to let you know, very rarely do we have any breakage at all, knock on wood. And so as you can see, this is just shredded newspaper. Now a lot of you, your local ASPCA will take this because they can use it for the kitty litter, and they can also use it for, in the little thing in the cages for the puppies. So you don't have to throw it away. You can upcycle this product as well. So I know there's only one thing in here, and I'm just going to dig down and get it. Now what I don't want to do is make this huge mess, okay? But I want you to see now, this is how your glass will come. It's cut into 4 pieces. This was a sheet size that was 16 by 16, and because this is here today, and I'll show you what this glass was being used for, and I'll be a little further along on the window so you can see this restoration project. The sheet of glass with the shipping was $133. Typically a sheet of glass, Kokomo, Wismac, something like that, it's going to run you retail about $100 anyway, and unless you have more than one sheet, even myself, I mean, I get a little bit of a discount, but it's not much because I'm only buying one sheet. Ideally, you buy sheets, period, plural, not period, crates. Plural, or crates, and you have it motor freighted in. You can get it a lot less expensive. We'd like to ask you to please subscribe to our channel. Hi everybody, it's Ed here, and we are just unpacked our glass. You saw that. So what I wanted to show you was, this is the glass that we've been waiting on, okay? And I can get you a little bit of light on it. So this is a Kokomo 222X, okay? 222X. And we've been waiting on it, and I finally found enough to do this bottom section of this window that was completely broken out, or beaten out, not broken out, but beaten out, okay? It's a little bit different, but you know what? It's as close as we can do, because this window was made about 32 years ago in our first stained glass studio. So here we're working on a piece of just pale gold water glass, and so I want to remind you that when you're cutting water glass, make sure you cut on the textured side. It's just easier and it looks better. Okay. So what we're going to do, this is how it all comes together, and then we have that there. All right. So this line comes to right there. Okay. Just like that. So this is really fun when we're taking a piece of glass. I know it looks kind of confusing right now, but you know, once I get beyond this point, it's no different than putting a window together. It's no different at all. No different at all. You know, sometimes this is all you have to work with. A window that has no center, but it has a top and a side. And now we're making the rest of it so that it fits within the existing window that's there and looks as close as possible as we can make it 30 some years later. Today I'm gonna get this all blackened in so that I can get these parts cut. Most of the parts are going to be stripped out to where they're 4-inch wide strips. Okay, actually these are 4 1/16, and as long as I make them the same size, everything's going to line up just fine. So the only part that I kept of the original lead on the window was this piece right here, because it was intact and I could make it, I could use it, and I didn't take a chance on breaking any more of this precious glass here, because this, you know, it took me a long time to find it. And now that I have this glass here, I'm going to go ahead and darken this in, these lines right here in this bottom section, and we're going to get this glass cut. Your notification. It'll tell you when Barb and I are coming at you live again right here in the Conway Glass Studio. We're working on stained glass projects left and right, y'all, and we hope that you enjoy them. Please subscribe, and don't forget, thumbs up for ARTyRV channel, and remember, the thumb is our favorite finger. Thanks for tuning in.